morningness again. So today, well, last night I decided to do my daughter's hair. I was watching nail videos somehow, and then it turned into like hair video, toddler videos, and I always wanted to know how to do beads, like put beads in hair, and I didn't figure it out until yesterday. So we're about to go to the hair store. Are you excited? Say yeah. No? Okay. Alright, well, let me make myself a little bit more presentable and I'll be right back with you. And this is what I came up with. I literally did hardly any makeup, just like a tinted moisturizer, foundation, and then Lil Mama still got her pajamas on. Yeah, pajamas. She just woke up from a nap. This is the first time she's smiling. And we're on a brunch date. We're on a brunch date, right?
What, Mama?
Yeah, orange juice. Yeah. I'm not trying to take it. I'm trying to help you so you don't spill it on yourself. She's like, I'm a big girl. Anyways, we're at Little Ray. Olivia put me on, and I've been craving it ever since. It's been so long. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. This girl was trying to eat her freaking crayon. I know she's hungry. Yummy. Eat, eat. Eat, eat. She don't even know how to approach it. Girl, this table probably dirty. What's up? What's wrong? You try to swallow instead of chew it? You gotta. I'm trying to teach her. Chew it, chew it. After our little brunch date, we're about to go get the stuff for her hair. We just had to get a little pick-me-up. Right. Yeah. Say yeah. We need a little pick-me-up. Alright, see you soon. Just kidding. We had to make a quick little stop at Ulta because I was closer to Ulta, and from my house it's about 30 minutes away. So I figured why not just stop right now. So we're about to do that, and then we're gonna go get our hair supplies. 6 hours later, we are all exhausted. The baby was so bored she fell asleep in the car so many freaking times. I stopped at Bed Bath & Beyond and the beauty supply store, which took every ounce of energy in my body to just go there and get what I needed. And then I bought this very expensive, like $200 pillow, because I need a good night's sleep, and then I got a comforter and stuff. I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel about that. But yeah, let's just get started because this turned into a whole vlog for no reason. Let's get started on her hair. Now from the top, make it drop. Okay. So you got Xavier in this little corner about to play some games in silence, I guess. And you got all of this stuff that I got from the store, and I actually had to drive 30 minutes just to go get some more stuff. I forgot this. I saw a couple tutorials of some people adding this in, and it looks so dope. So that's what I'm gonna do, and we're going with the nude brown look. I'm also making a TikTok, so I'm telling y'all, if y'all not on TikTok, y'all are sleeping. Ready? Huh? Huh? You've been looking crazy the past couple days. And I'm swerving, and oh my goodness, you opened it. All it took was 1 second. Okay. Here.
I did.
You did it. It's not supposed to come out like that. Alright, y'all, I don't need y'all to judge me because this was my very first time trying beads on the baby. I had no idea what I was doing, but I knew I just had to start. Oh, my baby's so cute. But it honestly took me forever, and I was like stalling. Then I was taking TikTok, so that took forever. And for some reason, the baby was extra hyper that day. You'll see in a minute. But she did not want to stay still, and that did not help me at all. I was making TikToks while I was doing her hair to, you know, kill two birds with one stone. But then my phone got broken, and it was in draft, so I don't know. If I can get it fixed, I'll post that. But if not, then you get what you get. But boom. So I was just starting by parting her hair. And then I was supposed to put a bunch of product, but that ended up not happening because I don't know what was going on. I think it was just too much. She was just doing too much. So I was just trying to hurry up and just get the style done at least. You can't go nowhere, baby.
Go here.
No, you can't go. Mama.
Mama.
Te amo a ti.
Really?
No, no, no.
No, no, no.
No, no, no.
No. No, no, no. No, no, no.
You're so cute. Then her dad helped a little bit by giving her something to drink and a little bit to eat. That kept her still for a minute, but not for long.
I don't care. Show them me in the camera and be like, she wanna say hi. I'm cut like that, y'all.
She's trying to show you to them. Then halfway through parting her hair, I got impatient and I really wanted to see how I was gonna put the weave through because I've never ever did weave like this before. So yeah, so I just broke it apart. I just tangled it with my fingers and then I put the latch underneath the rubber band and then I pulled the hair through. You can tell that I pulled it through the middle of the hair, which I quickly learned that makes it more of a hassle because then all the hair goes through and then it gets tangled. I don't know if I'm explaining that right, but basically when you're attaching weave, just put a corner of the weave in. Don't put the whole entire weave through. Just put a little bit in and then drag the rest through. And then once I got to the desired length, that's when I started to play around with the beads and figure out what I wanted. This is the pattern that I wanted to go with. So I slid it through the little knocker holder slider thingamajiggy. Then I slid it through her hair and then that's when I realized that the weave was too thick for the beads. The beads were pretty small. So later on I started to use less weave. Then I did the same thing for the second one. All I'm doing is basically wrapping the two strands around each other, but I'm twisting them as I'm wrapping them around each other. You're gonna see me do the same exact thing for the rest of her hair. I will just let y'all watch that and I'll come back in when I feel like explaining something. This is when I realized that the front 2 twists were just too long, so all I did was cut it and then put a clear bead at the end and then just do it all over again, which didn't take too much. So this is what we look like. It's literally the next night. So she ended up sleeping really crazy and crying literally the whole entire night. I could not get any sleep. I could not wait till morning time so she could just be up and be out of her misery. But I just assumed that these are like really hard and like too short, so like they're pressed against her, they're too short and they're pressed against their head. I put a bonnet on her, but it clearly wasn't enough, so I had to do some touch-ups because some of these fell out, and this is my very first time, so I learned a lot actually. And that just goes to show that like you'll never be a professional and like really good at what you do, whatever you decide to do, if you don't at least just start. Like some of them are really thick, and I learned to make them smaller by like taking the pieces apart and cutting them more, and just a lot of things. And I learned that I do not need to use these clear rubber bands because they break off very easily. Like they were breaking as I was doing it, and so needless to say they all broke off. Why are you doing this? So yeah, this is what it looks like. I give myself props. They were actually really easy, and I had fun while I was doing it. But once it got to like the second, third hour, I was like, no. And the baby was like, no, I'm not having it. So that wasn't fun. But I think the next time I do it, I'll be faster. And I'll be even faster the next time and the time after that. So I really do want to try this again, but I probably won't do it unless like she's having a photo shoot or I have like a really cute outfit for her to take pictures in at the park or something. Because they're not gonna be in for long, clearly, until she probably gets older, and I can make, you know, the length a little bit longer without her looking too grown. And then that way she'll be able to sleep better because the beads won't be on her head. They'll be like down here, and we can wrap it up or something. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if there's like other hairstyles that you think I would like to try. Other accessories. No, mama, because I know you gonna throw it all over the place. Say bye, or do a little shake for them. Do a little shake. Yeah. There goes the one that fell.
Yeah.
Yeah, it came off, baby. Say bye.